I wanted to share with you a really cool secret that we use at Repurpose House to make our blog creation process so much more efficient. And we use Content Cucumber. They're amazing. So they have a great ticketing platform, much like our Purpose House, where we can just simply submit topics that we want written about, and they'll go ahead and write them for us. So as you can see, we've submitted a ton to them. We love their writing style, and it takes 5 days max to get the longest blogs back. So I wanted to kind of show you what this looks like. It's a super simple form. We just tell them the topic title for the blog, project type. Usually for us it's a blog post, but they also do great things like newsletters, social media posts, writing copy, anything that has to do with copy. And from there we can just give them descriptions of what we want the articles to be about, SEO keywords, and then here we choose our length. Sometimes we'll do 800 if we want it to have a lot of stats and detail. It needs to be a little bit more in depth. We'll do like 2,000 words, and then we can ask for any attachments, and then we submit our request. And either 1 or 5 business days later, we'll get that back, and then we can just put it in our WordPress. So this is amazing. Definitely suggest them, and happy marketing, guys. Thanks.